In this video, I have two basics to share to you about copy and paste in Google Sheet. You will know that how to use shortcut key to copy and paste and use the paste value and format cell. Two ways will show you in Google Sheet how to copy. Normally we use the copy to display the text or pictures to another sheet. Okay, I have one example. I want to copy here into column E. First, I select the cell that I want to copy, right click and click on copy button. And next, you need to remember that if you copy, you need to paste. And if you want to paste, you just click on cell that you want to copy, right click and click on paste button. Okay, the result, all the cell that you copy will paste on the column E. One more way I will to show you how to use the shortcut keys to a copy. You just select the cell and press Ctrl C. And paste, you just press Ctrl V. Okay, there's two ways, and you can choose any one for the copy and paste in Google Sheet. And next, I'm gonna show you about the PART special in Google Sheet. Okay, this is my example. I select the cell and right click and copy. Next, I need to paste on this column. I just click on cell, right click and choose PART special. There are many functions, but I choose only two to explain you. I choose the first value only. Okay, I want you to check the result. What happened? Okay, we see that after you paste, the color was not format. Most time we use the value only to paste in cell because we want to remove the function from cell. On the other hand, if we want to copy and paste have the format, we just select the cell and copy. Now click on cell, right click and click on paste value and choose the number 2 function, format cell. Okay, you can check the result. The format cell already passed. Okay, thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.